Welcome aboard Sea Pearl, a beautifully updated 2002 DeFever 53 raised Pilothouse trawler. This yacht is a proven long-range cruiser with a displacement hull, rich teak interior, and an extensive list of upgrades completed in the last 2.5 years. She's equipped for the Great Loop, offshore passages, or comfortable island cruising. Sea Pearl measures 53 feet 6 inches with a 15-foot beam, 720 gallons of fuel, 400 gallons of fresh water, and a displacement of 65,000 pounds. Her hull is fiberglass, powered by twin John Deere 6.8-liter diesels, each producing 225 horsepower. Bulletproof engines known for reliability and fuel efficiency. All exterior teak has been sanded and refinished, windows and hatches recaulked, and the bow features new upholstery and custom covers. She's equipped with a side power bow thruster, stabilizer, 3 380-watt solar panels, and Northern Lights 12-kilowatt generator. The covered aft deck offers comfortable outdoor living space with a FRP hardtop, updated deck furniture, and access to both the salon and flybridge. Speakers, lighting, and wiring have all been refreshed. This is the perfect spot for morning coffee or evening cocktails. Walk-around side decks make line handling and docking safe and easy. Moving forward, you'll notice the new bow seating, upholstery, and custom covers. At the foredeck, Sea Pearl is equipped with a Maxwell 1800 windlass, 400 feet of 3/8 galvanized chain, and a 121-pound rocknut anchor. Serious ground tackle for serious cruising. From the aft deck, head up the ladder to the upper deck and flybridge. The upper deck features removable tender chocks, a Bauer System 800-pound hydraulic crane, an updated davit winch motor, and Dyneema lifting lines. When the dinghy chocks are removed, the deck becomes a wide open entertaining space. The flybridge has new upholstery, custom covers, and sunbrella shade system. It's a fantastic social area with panoramic views. The helm was completely modernized in 2024 with custom fiberglass console, new acrylic panels, new wiring, and all new Garmin electronics, including autopilot, cameras, VHF, and network expansion. Inside, the salon is warm and inviting with rich teak, a white leather sofa, 2 electric recliners, new blinds, and updated speakers. A new Dometic HVAC system keeps the space cool and comfortable. The U-shaped galley is ideal for liveaboards, featuring new stainless refrigerator and freezer, inverter microwave, new 24-inch induction cooktop, abundant storage and counter space, and a washer-dryer combo under the serving bar. The galley is perfect for extended cruising or entertaining. The raised Pilothouse is the command center of Sea Pearl. It features a fully updated helm with new acrylic panels, labeled switches, Garmin electronics, AIS, electronic engine controls, and a fixed table with bench seating behind the helm. Throttle, stabilizer, and bow thruster are all easily accessed from the helm. This is a true cruising Pilothouse, comfortable, functional, and beautifully upgraded. The full beam master features a centerline queen berth, generous storage, new HVAC, updated lighting, and rich teak throughout. The private master head includes granite countertops, upgraded fixtures, a freshwater 12-volt toilet, and separate shower stall. Moving forward into port is the guest cabin with 2 bunks, hanging lockers, and updated HVAC, and is perfect for kids, guests, or additional storage. Across the passageway is a second head, also upgraded with granite countertops, new fixtures, and a full shower. The forward cabin offers 2 additional bunks, storage lockers, and easy access to the bow head, ideal for guests or crew. Moving to the aft of the vessel, the lazarette houses updated wiring, solar controllers, battery systems, and storage. Extensive rewiring was completed in 2024 to 2025, including Victron chargers, lithium house batteries, and new bus bars. Sea Pearl's engine room is exceptionally clean and professionally maintained. Equipment includes twin John Deere 6.8-liter diesels that produce 225 horsepower each, Northern Lights 12 kilowatt generator, a lithium battery bank with Victron management, Gulf Coast fuel polishing system, and a water maker. This is a turnkey, mechanically sound cruising platform. Sea Pearl is an exceptionally upgraded DeFever 53, ready for long-range cruising with comfort, safety, and reliability. If you're looking for a proven trawler with modern systems and classic craftsmanship, Sea Pearl deserves your attention. Contact Lil Yacht Sales to schedule your private showing.